Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your radiator fan fuse and radiator fan relays are located on this 2011 Dodge Journey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we're going to come over here and pop our hood first. So right here is our under the hood fuse box. We're going to lift on this tab and this tab. And then on the back of here is a diagram. So we'll start with the radiator fan fuse. Is this 40 amp J-case or box fuse right here. I will have J-case fuses linked in the description below where you can get them online. And then these two relays are for the fan. So this is for the radiator fan for the high speed, and this one is for the radiator fan for the low speed. So we've got the 40 amp radiator fan fuse right here in the corner, the radiator fan high relay, and the radiator fan low relay. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.